This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for April 18th, 2023. It's currently February 21st, 2023, 3:28 p.m. Eastern Time. The shuffle file which we're about to watch here was created on February 16th, 2023 at 10:29 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this file right here. The overall theme, well, before we even get into that, I want to point out some stuff, guys. So on the previous day, on the 17th, we end the day with a correlation to the trade correlator, which is the luxury card, indicating to trade. But I think probably this may carry over. There may be an additional trade opportunity the following day, right? Because we've got the luxury card here and the trade correlator here as well with a bearish opportunity. There should be multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance. We're back on track on the 1 month. We're right in line with the Queen of Discs, which is sideways rotational on key support with a sharp dip that'll stand out in that period of sideways rotation. Looks like a lot of bearish volume taking place around 1040 to like 1040 to like 1120. Behavior around the high side, we have a significant move to the upside out of oversold territory or to fill a previous gap down. Behavior around the low, so there's a notable move to the downside standing out on a one-day chart, also offering a significant opportunity. And there's also a fast sudden move higher out of that low. It looks like it may even be the following day that fast sudden move higher takes place. We'll see. No, there's a fast sudden move higher out of the low here. I'm advised to trade around a rally that offers an opportunity to open up a short position. In the pre-market, we have a U-shaped dip that forms near the intersection of two perpendicular diagonal trend lines. We come into like a rally along a diagonal trend line around the open, breaking through horizontal resistance, meeting a second resistance, and then creating a crest there and selling in the first half hour down to and through support level, doing a U-shaped reversal below that support level, coming back and reusing it as support. And then between roughly 10 and 11, there's a decline through key support level that we recently broke down through once before. Like I said, a lot of bearish volume around the 11 o'clock hour, and then at one point we meet a significant low, possibly a low for the day, but a significant low here. And there's a fast sudden move higher, unexpected move higher out of that low. We do erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level around midday. In the midst of that erratic behavior, there's a crest that we revisit that offers that was recently an opportunity, may offer an opportunity again. Between roughly 1 and 2, we have a breakout on a one-day scale. There's a trade opportunity as well there. So if you were to open up a long position in the midst of the decline through that support level that we recently broke down through once before, around the 11 o'clock hour, somewhere in the midst of that decline, if you were to open up a long position, you'd be able to close that long position probably around 2 o'clock in the midst of this breakout to the upside. The breakout's not going to hold. We'll do some back and forth behavior towards the end, mid to end of the afternoon session within a channel where we'll decline from support down to, or decline from resistance down to support, reverse, go all the way back to resistance, and then reverse again and retrace all the way back to support. But in the last hour, there's a significant move to the upside, possibly even pushing the upper end of a range higher. So there's like a sharp drop there in that 2 to 3 o'clock hour, after the point at which we would sell the long position, sharp drop, and then another move to the upside, possibly pushing the upper end of the range higher in that last hour, bringing us to resistance where we have more attempts, failed attempts to break through key resistance. In the post-market, we have the halting of a bullish trend marked by a sharp decline through key support, and I also circled it off. Here's why, because the following day we have this decline, the halting of a bullish trend marked by a sharp decline through key support. This probably carries over into the following day. We open higher, or in the pre-market, there's a fast sudden move higher, taking us higher than where we close here on the 18th. And that's the S&P 500 for April 18th, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And my friends, as always, make sure to follow the rule of karma. 5% of the profits that you make from this information, every time you profit, every time, doesn't matter if it's $1 or $100,000, what matters is that you follow the rule. It's abundance mentality, my friend. It's a karmic way to ensure you bring more abundance to yourself by giving it to others. It's the way the universe works. Believe it. So 5% of the profits back to pay it forward to any of these charities or one that you see that's more your style. And then 5% of the profits back to the channel here through PayPal or Cash App. You can find these links on our website, tarotfortraders.com, at the resources tab. Whatever you spend that remaining 90%, make sure you spend it out of love. As long as you do all that, my friends, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold in all directions. You're what we call an angel investor. You're investing and you're an angel. You're giving back to the world. You're creating good deeds which perpetuate more of same in all multi dimensions. All right, my friends, I'll see you on the next one.